Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever we upload a video. And thank you for all your love and support on all our videos. It really means a lot to us. So today we're going to talk about the Nykaa IPO, and this is the All You Need to Know IPO series. So Nykaa was incorporated in 2012. It is a consumer technology platform delivering a content-led lifestyle retail experience to consumers. The company has a diverse portfolio of beauty, personal care, and fashion products, including their own brand products. Nykaa operates under two major verticals, the first being Nykaa Manufactured By, which is for beauty and personal care, and the second being Nykaa Fashion, which is for apparel and accessories. Under the beauty and personal care offering, the company has 1,97,195 stock keeping units from 2,476 brands, primarily across makeup, skincare, hair care, bath and body, fragrance, grooming appliances, personal care, and health and wellness categories as of March 31st, 2021. For beauty and personal care offerings, Nykaa's business is mainly inventory led. The company manufactures its own brand beauty and personal care products through third party manufacturers and are sold under their brand names such as Nykaa Cosmetics, Nykaa Naturals, and K Beauty. Apparel and accessories verticals consist of 1,350 brands and over 1.8 million stock keeping units with fashion products across four consumer divisions, that is for women, men, kids, and home. Nykaa Fashion also has six owned brands. The company provides an omni-channel shopping experience to its customers by providing both online and offline shopping channels. Online channels include mobile apps, websites, and mobile sites, while offline channels consist of 73 physical stores spread across 38 cities in India. The competitive strengths of the company are as follows. Nykaa is one of India's leading specialty beauty and personal care companies. It has major brands offering their products on Nykaa's platform for sale. It has capital efficient business with strong growth and profitability. The company has advanced technology platform. It is founder-led company with an experienced management team. The objects of the issue are as follows. So the company is getting listed for the primary reasons such as for investment of rupees 420 million in certain of their subsidiaries, namely FSN Brands and or Nykaa Fashion, for funding the setup of new retail stores. Rupees 420 million towards capital expenditure to be incurred by the company and investment in certain of their subsidiaries, namely Nykaa E-Retail, Nykaa Fashion, and FSN Brands for funding the setup of new warehouses. And for rupees 1,560 million towards repayment or prepayment of outstanding borrowings availed by the company and one of their subsidiaries, namely Nykaa E-Retail. For expenditure of rupees 2,340 million to acquire and retain customers by enhancing the visibility and awareness of the brands and for general corporate purposes. So we are going to take a look at the Nykaa IPO SWOT analysis. So where we'll be talking about the strengths, the weakness, and the opportunities and threats of the company. The strengths are as follows. Nykaa has an updated product portfolio, which means that Nykaa keeps updating its product range and offerings, building a diversified portfolio. This has been instrumental in expanding its customer base. Moreover, by constantly updating the offerings, the company has put itself in a favorable position to tackle challenges posed by the dynamic business environment. Nykaa has an impressive balance sheet. Nykaa's strong balance sheet provides it with scope for expansion. It can utilize funds to finance new projects, which can diversify its revenue stream. This will have a positive impact on its key financial metrics such as return on equity, return on sales, and more. Efficient inventory management. So, Nykaa works on an inventory model which ensures that it has sufficient stock to meet the demand. It has strong social media presence. Nykaa runs social media marketing campaigns on a regular basis, and this has played a very significant role in boosting the sales and acquiring customers. The weaknesses of the company are as follows. The first is implementation of technology. So Nykaa has integrated technology in its backend processes. It has not been able to make use of technological advances in the front end processes. Low spending on research and development. Nykaa doesn't spend a sufficient amount of funds on improving its research and development infrastructure. This can directly impact the company's performance. Handling customer grievances. Nykaa is still facing a lot of issues in addressing customers' complaints efficiently. This can affect the company's growth. And delivery charges. Nykaa levies delivery charges if the order value is below a certain amount, which eliminates potential buyers. The opportunities for Nykaa are as follows. F- Taking a look from the growth prospect, with improvements in the standard of living, more individuals are making a shift towards e-commerce, which presents an excellent opportunity for Nykaa. Improvements in artificial intelligence. The company can take advantage of the developments in AI to estimate consumer demand and fulfill the requirements of niche segments. E-commerce business model. Nykaa's e-commerce business model can assist the company in collaborating with local suppliers, logistic companies that belong to international markets. Besides this, the social media growth of the company can enable it to gain access to a large number of potential customers with a low marketing budget. The threats are as follows. The change in domestic rules. So, as we advance, in case any changes take place regarding domestic laws and tax liability, it could affect Nykaa's plans. Growing competition is also a major threat. The number of competitors, both online and offline, is increasing. Accordingly, there's always a possibility of losing customers and drop in expenditure. If consumers' expenditure level drops, it can affect the profitability of the company. Let's take a look at the competitor analysis. That is the market peers. Who are the market peers of Nykaa? Nykaa's inventory led business model sets it apart from its competitors in the market. It buys product from brands and distributors and sells them directly to consumers via online and offline mode. This ensures competitive pricing besides quality and authenticity of products. This table gives an insight into the competition Nykaa faces from other players in the market. So you can take a look at this table over here. So two main market peers of Nykaa are Myntra and Purple. The summary of the financial information are as follows. In financial year 2019, Nykaa reported a net profit of rupees 2.31 crores and its revenue from operations during that period stood at rupees 1,159 crores in comparison to rupees 555.10 crores in the previous financial year. Moreover, in financial year 2019, this company had a valuation of $743 million. The company's earning before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization stood at rupees 94 crores in financial year 2020. The IPO details are here under. The IPO opens on October 28, 2021 and closes on November 1st, 2021. It is a book built issue IPO with a face value of rupees 1 per equity share and an IPO price ranging from rupees 1085 to 1125 per equity share. The market lot and the minimum order quantity are 12 shares. It is going to get listed at the BSE and the NSE with the issue size of equity shares of rupees 1 aggregating up to rupees 5351.92 CR and a fresh issue of equity shares of rupees 1 aggregating up to rupees 630 CR. The offer for sale is for 4 crores 19 lakhs 72,660 equity shares of rupees 1 aggregating up to rupees 4,721.92 CR. We can have a look at the timetable over here. The Nykaa IPO open date is October 28th, 2021 and close date is November 1st, 2021. The basis of allotment date is November 8th, 2021. The initiation of refunds takes place in case you don't get the allotment on November 9th, and the credit of shares to demat account takes place on November 10th. The IPO finally gets listed on November 11th, 2021. The Nykaa IPO market lot size is 12 shares. A retail individual investor can apply for up to 14 lots or 168 shares or of rupees 1,89,000. So that will be all from my side for this video. I hope it was helpful and informative for you all. Please stay tuned for more such videos. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye. See you.